So today's session is about data collection through open source clouds. So we have various Internet of Things enabled cloud platforms to make different visualizations and data collection. So normally data are collected from the environment and various kinds of sources. Say example, if we consider a case study of collecting the environmental data, what are the methods allowed to collect the data? So you can collect the data through physical sensors. These sensors collect the physiological data, environmental data such as temperature, humidity, illumination, light illumination, proximity, or wind speed. These are the environmental parameters available. So apart from that, you can also collect various environmental data such as water quality analysis. You can collect the water source data and make the analysis. For any kind of data collection, you need to have a separate source. So two kinds of operations are there. One, you need a physical sensor to collect the information. Number two, you have a cloud platform to store the information. So here we are going to see about the ThingSpeak configuration. ThingSpeak, what is ThingSpeak? ThingSpeak is a open source cloud window. So you can create a own ThingSpeak cloud platform using a simple Gmail. ThingSpeak is generated by mathworks.com, which is a standardized tool utilized for academic purpose and research purpose. So in today's session, we are going to see how to create a cloud channel using ThingSpeak login. For that, you need a Gmail and you should use a Google Chrome window. So today live, I am going to use my Gmail to show you how you can able to configure the ThingSpeak window by making channel configurations, how to make visuals using ThingSpeak, and how you can make live data testing in the ThingSpeak window, which will be used as a data set for various kinds of artificial intelligence analysis, machine learning, and deep learning window. So first I'm going to log in with my Gmail account. I already created an account. So normal Gmail is enough to create a login. So the Gmail creation, as you know, the Gmail creation procedure. So I have my login window. I created my Gmail. So I have a Chrome window. In that Chrome window, I go to thingspeak.com. So this is the web page you have to go. So IoT Analytics, thingspeak.com, thingspeak.mathworks.com. So this is the first step you have to do. Then go to the accounts window and make a login. Since I already log in to my Gmail account, which means already my Gmail is login here. So if you already started login with the Gmail account, you no need to log in again. You can directly log in to the Chrome window and you can come to this window. You can make a login. A simple user ID and password it will ask. You can provide the Gmail account password itself for this login account. Once you make the login, you will get a confirmation mail about the ThingSpeak confirmation to your Gmail. So you can go to your Gmail and click the confirmation window. So you will get a Gmail account confirmation for the ThingSpeak usage. So this is a open source IoT platform which is used for data collection in the cloud with advanced data analysis. So being a data analyst, so you have to know various kinds of tools available for data analysis. So as well as you have to know how to configure these kind of open source cloud platforms for making data collection. So once you log into the ThingSpeak window, you can see this window. Okay. So what are the steps we are going to do today is you have to create a ThingSpeak login, create a channel, configure a channel, make different visuals, test the live data and create data set. So for that, I'm going to create a new channel. So from this step, you can follow with your own laptop itself. So create new channel, give channel name. Say example, I'm going to make environmental analysis. So environmental analysis, I'll give a short form. Give the description of the channel, like this channel is used to visualize environmental parameters of my lab. Okay, so you can see the field like field 1, field 2 up to field 8, which means 8 fields are available, which means 8 visualizations you can make. So say example, I am going to right now I'm going to use only the field 1. So I configure field 1 alone. Later, if you want, you can make all the field. So if you want 8 field also, you can field. And what is this field is? It's about parameter. I'll give you an example. Uh, Maybe if you are collecting a patient data, then what are the parameters of patient data is BP, blood count, pressure, heart rate. These are the parameters. If you are collecting a water quality data, water salinity level, water pH level, water color or water sensitivity, these are all parameters. If you are collecting environmental data, then pressure, humidity, illuminance, solar energy or sound, noise, whatever it is, these are all parameters of data. So parameters of data or environment is about what are the things available to collect, and these fields acts as a attributes. So I'm going to collect only field 1. If you have any metadata, you can add the metadata. Metadata is nothing but information related to the channel. So example, you are using a CSV file, JSON file, that is the data. And tag is nothing but the hashtag to identify the your channel in a unique name. If you have any link to the external website or GitHub login, you can directly go to the GitHub also. And elevation is nothing but if you have a location details of from where you are collecting the data. Say example, you are collecting the data from Chennai location. If you know the Chennai data set, which means Chennai location information, you can add Chennai location information. Say example, I put 18° or 22, just randomly I'll put and make a save channel. So this is the process of creating a new channel window. So you can see I'll just randomly given some location information. So somewhere it is identified. Okay. If you know the exact location of where you are collecting the data, you can put the data. And field 1 only we have created. So field 1 is visible to us right now. And today I'm going to show you how to configure the channel. So as I said, the first step is creating a ThinkSpeak login, create a channel. Now we have created a ThinkSpeak, created a channel and configure a channel. Now we have to make various visualizations and testing of data. So these steps seems very short and easy, but you have to maintain a complete focus to create, because if you missed the login password or giving a confirmation message, clicking a confirmation link in your Gmail, then your login will be blocked for a few minutes, a few hours. So you have to keep focus on giving the confirmation properly. So now I have created one window. You can edit this window by for colors and all. You can go and edit if you want to make some configurations like color changes you want to make. I'll just make 15:15. You can make the color configuration changes and all you can make. So this is a line plot we are showing. You want a bar chart, you can show the bar chart. You want a column charts, SP line, step chart, all kinds of charts are available. You want to mention a time scale, you can mention a time scale. Average, you can mention an average. You want to mention a title of this chart. Say example, I'm going to right now I'm going to get the environmental data. I'll just measure humidity. So sample plot I am show you. So humidity will come here. Okay. So now we'll go through the features available in the ThinkSpeak window. So first step is public view. So private view, public view is available. Private view means only the person who log into the page can able to view, where public view means anyone with the link can able to view. So go to sharing, make the channel public, share channel with everyone. So now you can see the public window will enabled. So everyone with the link shown here can click the link and they can view the channel operations. So channel settings is nothing but what we have done initially. So it consists of one channel ID. This is a unique ID. These configurations can be modified at any time. If you want to modify at any time, you can make the modifications. So this will be reconfigurable. And third point is you can see a API key present here. So API key, there are two kinds of API key. Write API key, read API key. Write API key is used to write data into the channel. So you created one public channel. You want to push some data into the cloud, then you have to use write API key. You're going to read from some other channel, then you need a read API key. So this API keys acts as an authentication password or passcode for accessing this channel. So my question is, if someone asked whether this kind of free channels are secure, then you can tell yes, it is secure because we have an authentication token key for accessing this channel. Without this authentication token, no others can able to access our cloud. So this channel is very secured. In terms of security, this free source, open source channel is secure. So now come back to your channel. So we can make some modifications, like we already given one plot, right? You have to push some data into the cloud, then only you can able to monitor. So in this session, I'll give you how to get a random data or any kind of dummy data into the cloud. Then next session, we'll be showing you what are the other kinds of visualizations, attractive visualizations we can make in this free cloud. So first I am going to go to MATLAB analysis. So in the parallelly, I'll go to my channel because I want to parallelly view my channel option also. So I have 4 channels. So environmental analysis is the channel which I made today. So parallelly, I open this channel. So go to MATLAB analysis, take a random example code. Today I'm going to see only the average humidity. So I'll just go to average humidity. Some random code will be created. So this procedure is like if you want to access someone's hotspot, what is the procedure? You need to know what is the hotspot name and password. Similar way, if you want to write something into the channel, you need two options only. One is write channel ID and write API key. So write channel ID is nothing but go to our channel. We have one channel ID here. Copy the channel ID and paste it here. As I said, write API key. We have to give the security information, that is write API key. So here these are my channels available. Read API key, write API key is available. So I'll just copy my write API key alone. So for putting a data into the cloud, this is the one line command used. So I'll just zoom in and show you. ThingSpeak write is the command used to write something into the cloud. Say example, I am going to put some data into the cloud. So here I will add some random value, random integer of something which is beyond below 100 I am saving. Okay. So this is the procedure. So I'll give save and run. I didn't change anything. Just I'll give a information random input of 100. ThingSpeak write is the only one line command used to write something into the cloud. Now I'll give save and run. We will now monitor our cloud that something is getting updated or not. I just given save and run. Go to my cloud. So I got my first data. So my first data is 3. So I move the cursor here. You can see. So the data, exact timing and timestamp will be shown clearly. So every time when you write something into the cloud, that will be pushed into the cloud and your cloud will be updated clearly. So live updation will be there.